Has this ever happened to you?
Oh no, my seedlings! They have slug damage on them!
It has to farmers. Slugs are agricultural pests, especially harmful to new growth.
My name is Trinity Antoszewski, and my research is to perform microbial gut analysis on native ground beetles to determine if they could be a valid biocontrol option for slugs.
In other words, do these beetles eat slugs? And can we use them instead of pesticides?
To find this out, we do DNA analysis of the guts of the beetles. PCR is what shows us which samples have the slug DNA, but there are other steps like differentiation, dissection, and DNA extraction we have to get through first. I've recorded my process of finding out if our samples of the species Amphasia serica have eaten slugs. Cue the montage.
PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction and is the key to my research. It lets us see if the type of DNA we're looking for is there. In our case, slug DNA. To do this, we make a master mix of our specific samples. It's like a soup full of ingredients that are able to make more DNA later. We put it in a thermoregulator where the real PCR starts. First is denaturing, which breaks our double strand of DNA apart into 2 template strands. Then annealing starts, where our primers we added attach to our DNA template strands. Finally, the primers work to extend the DNA, and we get 2 copies of what we had, which is hopefully slug DNA. This process happens dozens of times, so then we end up getting millions of DNA strands. To see if it works, we run another gel and look at its results. I don't feel really comfortable filming in the room where we do gel electrophoresis because it takes a lot of concentration and I don't want to mess up. So here's a view from outside of the lab. As you can see, these samples did in fact have slug DNA. Slugs are difficult to control, so having biocontrol options like these are really essential. A lot of people are working on this, and I'm just helping.